Hope he can hear me now because there's a big crowd there. Anand, preventive custody for Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi is what you broke a few minutes ago. Give us the update. What's happening on the highway right now?
Well, you see, we are told that, they will be taken into a preventive custody, and you can see the two cars which have been put up here. You can see these are the two Innova cars in which the administration is trying to put them into and take away from here. You can see the senior officials of the UP police also here, and they are trying to bring the car towards the place where Rahul and Priyanka Gandhi are sitting, and they want to take them away from here as they are already in preventive custody. The administration is saying that this march cannot go on like this, and they want to stop it right here and not allow Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi any further towards Hathras, because Section 144 has been imposed there. So completely the administration is trying to cut off this march on the Yamuna Expressway because it's led to a complete chaos here, Shiv, I must tell you. There is complete stoppage of traffic on the Yamuna Expressway on the Greater Noida to Agra stretch, and this stretch completely overtaken by Congress workers, and the UP police cops are trying to stop them, cordoned off from both sides on this expressway. And you can see the security personnel are trying to ask Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi to move towards the two vehicles which have been kept there waiting for Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi. And the Congress workers and the leaders are into a huddle at the moment and trying to figure out as to what further course of action they should take, Shiv, because it's a complete, dramatic turnaround, because at the DND toll plaza, Shiv, the Congress leaders were easily allowed to enter the UP border from Delhi side. They didn't stop him. But the moment they tried to reach the Yamuna Expressway, only the vehicles of Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi were allowed, while the rest of the workers were stopped. And that is the reason why Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi also said that they will not move ahead on their cars, and they will be walking towards Yamuna Expressway, towards Hathras on foot. And that led to complete chaos on the expressway, because the entire expressway was taken over by the Congress workers led by Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi, and they both spoke to us while walking on the expressway, and they told us that nothing can stop them from going ahead towards Hathras, because what they're doing is not illegal. They are walking all alone towards Hathras, and the government is trying to stop them, which is not as per law, because Section 144 is in Hathras and not here. So that is why they wanted to go and walk away towards Hathras to meet the family. Rahul said, if it's 144, I'm ready to walk all alone towards Hathras, all alone. So that is permissible within 144. But the administration didn't agree to that as well. You can see the senior officers of the UP police over here trying to make a strategy to bring this impasse to an end. You can see them time and again trying to reason out with the senior leaders of the Congress party and try to speak to them and end this impasse, because you can see this is the Yamuna Expressway, and complete chaos on the Yamuna Expressway at the moment. You can see cops all around, and also the vehicular traffic completely halted because of this protest. This is very close to the Jewar Toll Plaza, Shiv, if you are aware about the this highway, because the entire connectivity from Agra towards Greater Noida and Delhi on this stretch is completely cut off because of this protest. And that is the reason why the administration is saying that they cannot allow this march to go on. Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi huddled up at one side of the highway along with other senior Congress leaders. You can see them. And they are saying that they are not willing to move from here, despite the fact that they are in preventive custody. You can see the UP officials also here. Randeep ji, you can see the officials bringing the vehicle here close to where the both leaders are standing, and they're trying to reason out with the Gandhis that they should leave the highway because it has led to complete chaos, and since they are in preventive custody, they should board the two vehicles which have been brought for them to end this deadlock at the moment, because this protest cannot go any further. You can see the cops are now again.
Anand, you know, currently on our screens right now, we're playing out the visuals of Rahul Gandhi appearing to trip and fall down during that scuffle with the police. You were the only journalist who's been able to capture these very close shots of Rahul Gandhi falling down. Can you talk over these pictures and tell us what you saw, Anand? You were the only journalist who was able to get this picture.
Yes, Shiv. Yes, absolutely. Rahul Gandhi was walking along with other Congress leaders, and that is the time when the police tried to stop them and stop Rahul Gandhi from taking journey further ahead, and he was heckled and he almost fell down. And he also told this to us that he was quietly walking along just like any other citizen, a normal citizen, a law-abiding citizen, but the cops tried to stop him, heckle him, and not allow him to walk further. And that was what he was trying to do, reason out with the cops as to he was following the law, he was well within the law. And now you can see Shiv, the vehicle in which the two leaders will be taken into and whisked away from the expressway. This is the police jeep which is trying to reach to them. It is very crowded, the two leaders are mobbed, and you can see the cops trying to take the vehicle to the leaders as they are completely cordoned off by the Congress workers who have surrounded them, and also their security. The two leaders are saying that they are well within the law to take on this journey, because they want to walk alone if the government and the police thinks that it is illegal. But they are trying to walk all along on this highway, and Rahul Gandhi told me that he will walk along on this highway all alone, and that is not a violation of Section 144, Shiv. So you can see the vehicle waiting for them, trying to enter into that cordon where Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi are surrounded, and they are not ready to budge at the moment.